MGS, we help healthcare innovators bridge the gap between imagination and realization. To do so, we continue to expand our engineering and manufacturing capacity to scale with our customers' needs and turn their most pressing challenges into innovations that improve lives. Today, we know that world-class tooling capacity is scarce, and tooling lead times have significant influence on your time to market. With MGS's acquisition of Winther Mould Technology, we continue to overcome typical tooling bottlenecks for our pharma, diagnostics, and MedTech customers with premium quality tooling capacity. This, in turn, accelerates time to market to meet the unwavering deadlines of our customers' large-scale healthcare programs. Winther Mould Technology, based in Lynge, Denmark, brings more than 56 years of experience in building highly specialized, superior quality, high precision injection molds for leading healthcare companies. With the integration in full swing, we are investing in high-tech tooling technologies and state-of-the-art processes to drive customer success. From ideation to high-volume manufacturing for pharma, diagnostic, and MedTech customers, MGS offers a single integrated solution from a customer-focused, agile, and flexible global team. Challenge us today.